Welcome to the in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fits on this device. So as can you see, in my case, when I just slide with my finger to the right side, I can enable the Google Fits, and I will try to turn them off. Now just hold for a while your screen with the finger and you'll see here the home settings tab there, and the first section is the show Google app. Here just turn off the Google Fits, tap here once on the switcher, and now we'll go back. And as can you see, right now we just can't open the Google Fits, so that means that we just disable this option. And if you wanna go back and turn on the Google Fits again, just again tap here on the switcher. And as can you see, that's really simple to enable or disable the Google Fits on CUBOT R19. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.